little bit of active weather moving across the area today. Start with taking a look at the overall severe weather outlook. Just about everybody in the state having a chance of a thunderstorm. Best chance of any strong thunderstorm, say east of about, say, of Lovell down to Thermopolis, Riverton line onto the east, with the best chance across Johnson, Natrona counties. Even better chance for traveling east out toward eastern portions of the state, towards South Dakota and Nebraska as well. As far as tornado threat, again, very small chance of a tornado. I think Buffalo down toward maybe east of the Casper area. This might be a little bit overdone, but there will be a little turning with the atmosphere, so some storms could get it spinning a little bit. Best chance, again, eastern Wyoming out toward Nebraska, South Dakota. Hail, I think the biggest threat here, just about everybody having a chance of small hail. Best chance of severe hail, which is about the size of a quarter or bigger, anywhere pretty much in the marginal risk area, again, Thermopolis, Riverton, onto the east. Now, I want to point out this, if you're heading east, especially in that slight risk area, what's called the hatched area. It doesn't show up here, but there's a chance of seeing hail 2 inches or bigger diameter there. That's the stuff that can do damage to your head, or especially maybe your car if you're heading out that way, especially in the afternoon, so keep an eye on the sky if you're heading there. And one more thing, severe wind threat. I think it's the least threat today, but again, any thunderstorm could have a damaging wind gust. Again, pretty much matching what we saw in the severe hail area. So severe weather risk today, I think the biggest threat, large hail, low to medium. Again, best chance across the eastern portions of our area. Damaging wind, again, that's low, as well as tornadoes, probably really low there. Can't rule it out, but vast majority of areas won't have a threat for that. So summing it up, again, a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms east of the divide, greatest chance east and along I-25, mainly Johnson and Natrona counties. Main threat, large hail, followed by damaging wind. Can't rule out an isolated tornado in portions of Natrona, Johnson counties, but that chance very small. Now, the big thing I want to point out, if you're traveling, a lot of people traveling now, a lot of tourists coming through the state. If you're heading out toward eastern Wyoming, I think especially South Dakota, out towards, say, Rapid City, and also out toward northern Nebraska, that's the best chance of seeing any strong to severe thunderstorms, especially the hail threat. So, traveling this afternoon, make sure you keep an eye on the weather and look for any warnings that are issued. Those are resources for weather as well as hydrological information, storm prediction center stuff if you want more details, and also webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day.